Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers, wherever you are. Today, I would like to say something about jealous. This jealous or jealousy na sickness. Most people don't know this thing. When you dey jealous, you fit do anything. You fit hurt person just because you dey jealous, and then you fit then lie go start. You start to dey lie for people head. You no go know, but you go think say na good thing you dey do just because of that jealousy wey you get for mind. That thing go cause many damage to you, not to you, to who dey around you, because you no wan see anything good. Anytime you see this thing, that hatred go just come. You go just dey vex for the person. You go wan even before you go even push person, do person wrong thing, you no go know, because you dey jealous of that person. Then you go start to dey lie. You go start to dey lie, and that lie, you no know say you dey destroy. You go think say na good thing. You go dey happy because you dey lie to person. You dey lie say you get this one and you no get that thing. If you just see your friend or your brother, your relation, your cousin, when you see say he just get something and you no get that thing, your stomach don turn. You don dey vex for that person, you don hate the person. So you go want anyhow, any means, you go want destroy that thing from that person when he get am. That your cousin or friend or relation wey get that thing, or you go want destroy that thing. You just start to dey lie. You go dey lie. Okay, when boy dey lie, na worse pass when woman dey lie. When woman dey lie too, no be say good, e no good, but e get some occasions you go just say okay, you lie to cover up something, but not this kind one now wey be say you dey lie to destroy. You lie to get something or to get something for person. You say because you no get this thing and you need am, you just fit talk say, oh, abeg I will pay you back, or I get this one, or I get this one. Make the person for give you the thing. You lie to get that thing. That one different. But some lie dey wey be say you go just lie that thing to punish that person or to destroy that person. Na that thing no good. Na that thing na e no good. E no good for man, e no good for woman. Many people dey now wey get that sickness for body, that jealousy. Dem get am for body because dem no wan see good for even their brother, their sister. Dem no wan see that good because dem wan get that thing. So because of that thing, dem wan destroy the person with lie. Who dey close to you, you no know who e be. The person fit turn to nightmare to you. E fit turn to nightmare to you because you no know who e be. You go think say yes, na good person. You say yes, you go sit with am. You no know say you get that sickness of jealousy. Na to take destroy you now. Like where we dey live, down of where we dey live, we get one family wey dey there. The man, people no know say that man get that sickness, say e get that mental problem. E just get am from there. Once you open door, you pass this man like this, before you dey come back, the man don get another feelings against you. He don get another feelings, don dey talk about you. Say see wetin you do. You see this kind thing, man for that matter. He go say see wetin this person do. He go dey gossip you, dey tell the next person, make dem attack you, make dem do this one. This kind person wey dey gossip you so, how you feel say e dey okay? E no dey okay because e get that jealous mind. E go dey lie. Before you know, police don dey your door. Wetin police dey do for your door? E go tell them, just go say the place wey we dey, the police dey always give ears to listen to you, wetin you talk. Then when you see how the thing be, go say okay, go station, make you go lay complaint. E no be like other country like America wey be say you go dey there, the police once you just call am, dem no go listen to you. Once dem don take you go or start to dey beat you or handle you or something like that. But where I dey so, e no be like that. If you get anything up, dem call police, the police dey always listen. Dem no dey take action like that. If they see how the situation be, they'll say okay, go station, make you go lay your complaint. So this very man na just be im work. E no dey wan see good for nobody, even neighbors. E no get friends. Once you comot like this, the next thing go take police. E go just call police say e dey suspect say this car wey you buy na stolen car. E go say not. E go say not. He know who get am. How you stolen car? E go say he know who get the car. He don dey see this car before. E go just call police. Then police go come discover. Say they will call on this thing. They'll say no, the car is not even stolen. You see? So jealousy na one kind big thing, one kind big sickness wey be say some people no wan comot that thing for body. Many times the man don do this thing. Many times. Even there was one day again, we comot, we go out. Before we come back, the man don take this screwdriver, open our door, enter inside our house, dey scatter things. Wetin e dey find? We just we just dey come, we see somebody inside there. The first shock we see, when I see this big man inside our house, the shock too much for us to start. So my mom ask us say, wetin you dey find? God we know who say he dey live downstairs. Wetin you dey? How you take enter this house? So this kind of excuse, this man no say, he lie say the door dey open, so he dey try to help. He wan try look whether somebody dey, make him lock the door because he know say we no dey house. But this not true. The man see us when we leave. After he dey attack my man. Okay, where you get money when you take buy? Where you get money when you take buy this car? Now he want na he come be na he come dey image they check us now. Na he come be our security now. When they want guide us, they check wetin we dey do. Every movement we take, na he dey wan do all this. Na he dey wan check. Na he dey see who dey go. Na he dey see who dey come. Just because the man get that jealous mind. He no wan see progress for anybody. He no wan see. And na so he dey lie. So lie not too good. If man dey lie, e bad pass when woman dey lie. So this lie, the man don take and destroy many people. People dey always talk about the man. I no believe, but that thing when I see am inside our house, inside our room, na there I really know say, yes, this man really get that big problem. He get that big problem. So jealousy no be something good. Somebody will dey jealous, always go far from that person, because that person till the day when he go hurt you, you no go know. And you go think say he like you. Now he won't know everything wey you get. Now he won't know everything wey you dey do. At the end, he go take life to destroy the thing. So be very careful for those people when they jealous. Dey very careful. It is very difficult to know them. But when you see them, you go know. With their action, their behavior, you go know. Say this person not dey too good to near or to come close to. So be very careful. So thank you, viewers. If you love my video, just give me like, share my video, and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.